pull this up to 60 degrees. We'll try and get all the measurements. Angus, does that look all right?
Yeah. Well, it looks a little higher than 60 to me.
How about there?
Oh, back up again. Right there.
Okay. We're going to get a couple of data points here. That's pretty good. I don't know how many times. Oh, all right. There we go. So let's take a look here. Angus, you want to get the distances and such while I get the screen kind of dialed in? Okay. Oh, jeez. Okay. All right, you got that?
Yeah.
All right, so here we see some times. All right. And notice, you see the times aren't exactly the same. They're changing a little bit. We can look over here. You could try and describe that, or think about why that's happening and if it makes sense or not. Over here, so again, this is, the x-axis is time, the vertical axis is force in newtons. So look at your numbers here to get them. All right, so I'm just going to give you a couple of different points. So we'll do, that was that one. Let's do another one over here. Got it?
Yep.
Let's do one over here. Cool?
Yep.
Let's get some of these down here. Here's the first swing, I think, maybe. Yeah, that's the first time. Got the numbers?
Yeah.
Let's get you a couple of those too.
Yep.
Right? And so you can kind of see what's happening here over time. Look at these last ones. Let's do these last ones just for kicks. You can see it's definitely changing a tiny bit over time. So hopefully that makes sense to you why it's doing that. Let's get this last one up here too, just for the heck of it. Definitely changing over time. All right, let's call that good.